Hey there, is your Google TV warning you with an at-risk message from Play Protect? Don't worry. In this guide on how to fix Google TV at-risk Play Protect, we'll take you through the steps to secure your device and get everything running smoothly again. Play Protect is a vital feature that helps keep your device safe by scanning apps and ensuring they're free from malware. So, let's dive into how to resolve these issues and safeguard your Google TV experience. Step 1. Check for system update. Before diving into more specific fixes, the easiest step is to ensure your Google TV software is up to date. System updates often include security patches that can resolve known issues. Number 1. Navigate to Settings. On your home screen, click the gear icon to access settings. Number 2. Select Systems. Scroll down and find the System option. 3. Click on About. Under System Settings, select About and click System Update. Number 4. Install available update. If an update is available, download and install it. Once installed, reboot your Google TV. Step 2. Review installed apps. Next, let's ensure all installed apps are from trusted sources and haven't undergone unauthorized change. Number 1. Open Settings. Start by going back to the home screen and selecting the gear icon. Number 2. Choose Apps. Scroll and select Apps from the list. Number 3. Manage all apps. Go through all installed apps and verify their sources. Number 4. Uninstall suspicious apps. If you find any app you didn't install or seems suspicious, remove it immediately by selecting the app and clicking Uninstall. Step 3. Run a manual Play Protect scan. Even if Play Protect runs in the background, a manual scan is a good step in maintaining security. Number 1. Open Google Play Store. Navigate to the Google Play Store app on your Google TV. Number 2. Select Menu. In the Play Store, go to the menu by clicking the profile icon. Number 3. Click Play Protect. Select Play Protect from the drop-down. Number 4. Run Scan. Hit the Scan button to manually check for issues or malware. Step 4. Enable Play Protect alerts. Ensuring that Play Protect alerts are enabled can help you stay informed whenever there's a potential threat. Number 1. Go to Play Store Settings. Access the Google Play Store app and go to Settings. Number 2. Activate Play Protect alerts. Locate the Play Protect option and enable alerts by sliding the notification toggle. Step 5. Factory reset, only if necessary. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, you might consider a factory reset. Be cautious, as this will erase all data. Number 1. Open Settings. Access settings using the home screen gear icon. Number 2. Navigate to Systems. Scroll to System and select. Number 3. Click on Reset. Choose Reset, then select Factory Data Reset. Number 4. Confirm. Follow the prompts to confirm and complete the reset. We hope this guide on how to fix Google TV at-risk Play Protect helps to resolve your concerns and keeps your device secure. By keeping your system updated, managing apps wisely, and using Play Protect effectively, you can enjoy a safe and smooth Google TV experience. Remember to only install apps from trusted sources and regularly review your settings. Stay secure and enjoy your seamless streaming.